Hey Grunts, so today I'm working on the cowl of the command car. If you look over here, you'll see it's pretty much completely rusted out. This whole bottom section of the cowl. Now for the command cars, there's actually two pieces here. This is the original piece. I took this off my other command car and it fits in here like this. And then you can see how the skin comes down. This actually overlaps the skin on the cowl here. So I have some body work to do here, as you can see. So I made a buck, which is what you call a form for metalworking. And using the buck, I have made another one of these because this goes on my other command car. And as you can see, it came out awesome. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I did that. This will fit right down here when we get done. And then you can see how the fender overlaps and covers that area. So stay tuned. All right, so now what I've got to do is it's going to be like this. So I've made a buck with the shape. You gotta put that one over. Oh, maybe not. All right. Make sure I'm doing it the right direction. Oh, yeah, you got that. All right, let's walk over to the other side. I just have to, this actually bends past 90 degrees, so. make 2 of those. They are done.
Oh yeah.
That's it.